Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download documents from Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to download documents from Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened the Terabox app over here. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, at the top of the screen, guys, you can see just below the search bar over here, there it says the photos, videos and documents with more. In order to download our documents from the Terabox, let's tap on the documents over here, and it will show you all of the documents available on your Terabox account. And with that being said, guys, in order to download a particular document, just tap and hold on the document which you want to download, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of that document, the download button is available for us at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on download button at the bottom left, and here it says offline access and download to local. And if you download on the offline access, guys, the document will be available on Terabox for offline purpose, but if you tap on the download to local, guys, then the document will be downloaded and saved to your Terabox account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download documents from Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.